Hello guys, now we are going to talk about landscape object. The first one is a rigon. So if you want to add a grass, land, soil, whatever you can place it with this rigon. So you can create a shape that you want. Maybe you will draw like this or to the load shape. I will select this for example. So now we will increase the size like this. So after that you can change the material. So you can add a grass like this, ground, soil, concert, color watch and brick, marble, ground cover, as you see, also patio style and stone. So you can add a mulch of stone if you want, like this for example, or like this or like this. So this tool you can add a rocks between the plants for example. So this tool is very necessary and you will use it uh, when you drawing landscape. Always you will use this. So that's for material properties and we talk about it before. So I will choose another material to see the difference, like this. So this is the height also. If you want to add a height for this rigon, and this is for height upper, as you see, and the edge style, let's make it soft for example like this. This is to edit a point, you know this tool, and this is to add a border for this rigon, like this, if you want. And this is the inset, and the weight, like this. So as you see, that's for border properties, you know this tools, we talk about it before. And this is to edit the border. You can remove the border from this side for example, and this side. Okay, and these tools you can add a 3D grass during the walkthrough. So if you press this object, you will see a 3D grass in walkthrough, and you can choose how much you want it, thin, medium or thick, and how much the height of the grass. I will select tall, as you see, and let's see in walkthrough. So this is walkthrough and its properties, we will talk about it later. I want just to see you the grass tool. So as you see, this is the grass in walkthrough and it's contain a 3D grass like this. As I told you, I will describe all walkthrough. So guys, if you see this course and this is the last video in this course, please wait. I will update this course every week and you will see a lot of interesting things, I promise you. And any suggestion or comment that you have, please send me a message and I will solve it as possible as can. Okay, so let's back now and talk about path. I will delete this ribbon. You know, this section, landscape, is the most important thing in real-time landscaping. So this tools is the most important tools in landscaping. Architect. So now let's talk about path. Go to plan mode and drawing a path. Same as the road that we talk about it in the previous video. So just select like this. And this is for material, so I will go to the perspective mode, and this is for height and height bar and edge style, same as recon. And also you can add a border. This is for height bar like this, for example, and this is for border. This is for a 3D class. If you add this path with a grass material, so you can add a 3D grass. I will decrease the height because it's not good. So just click 0 and it will be rested. Okay, this is a material direction. You can enable a custom material direction. Like this, so you can change the weight of this is direction. Do you see the difference? The weight of this material direction is changed. And also you can make it closed. I'm trying to see you the different for this. Let's change the weight. So the direction of this material is changed. Also you can edit the direction. You can insert points. So guys, this is just for material, is not to change the path, the old path. If you want to change the path, you can edit the point from this. And this option is just for material inside the path if you want to change the direction. like this. So that was about the path. Hope that easy to you. And now let's talk about etching. So etching is like a returning wall that we talk about, but it's very short, let's say. So you can create an etching, let's say for example a circle shape like this, and you can, let's go to perspective mode, zoom to the shape like this. So you can, this is for material, you have been know that, and this is the weight, this is for height, and also you can switch the side as you see. So that was for etching, and you can change the material as I told you. But this is the stone etching. It's contain a material, a model material, a models, sorry, like this. So maybe you can choose this. I will draw a loud shape from here. So let's say this, for example, and let's move it here and see the perspective mode like this. It's look like a wood etching. Also you can edit the material for this model. You can make it more woody, for example. There's no different. Let's say this, and there is another material for this. Maybe let's say this. Okay, so this is the edge, and here we got the weight, as you see, the height, the length, this is, you know, this is the length. So you know every scale is changed together, so just remove the scale evenly this, and you can change the weight and height and length like this. This is the overlap, as you see. This is the elevation, the number of row, look, number of row. Oh, you know, it's very beautiful. I'm kidding. So also this is the alignment, flat for using the lowest point, surface height. So this alignment is for rows, but there is no different in this model. You can see this alignment in another model. So this is, let's add a row and change this offset, as you see. Like this. to rim corner and end point pieces. Look what would happen. So you can use these tools to make the shape that you want. And also you can edit the point like this and change the shape that you create.